Welcome to the ESDoc screencast about interacting with the scientists in your institution. This screencast will show you where to find information about using ESDoc documentation tools and point you to resources to help with gathering information about your models from the Earth system modelers in your institution. The intended audience for this screencast are our ESDoc liaison officers, though any interested parties are likely to find it of use. You'll find information about our software tools by the ESDoc homepage. The ESDoc logo on the banner at the top of all the pages on our website will take you to the homepage. From here, the software tools can be found under the Technical tab. And from there, the How To tab will direct you to our information aimed at the ESDoc liaisons. A good place to start is the ESDoc liaison checklist. This page has information and links which describe in detail how to create CMIP6 documentation about your models. We manage our documentation using GitHub. There are GitHub repositories for each of the institutions, generating model data for CMIP6. Clear instructions about how to access and use your institute's GitHub repository can be found here on the checklist. For now, let's take a look at the resources you'll find in the GitHub repos. You'll see a list of repositories, one for each institution. I'm going to select Miroc for this example. Here you'll find a CMIP6 folder. There may also be a CMIP5. Under CMIP6, select Model, and you'll see a list of each of your institution's models that we expect to be producing data for CMIP6. Choose a model, and you'll see a list of Excel files, one for each of the realms that the model simulates. Let's take a look at the ocean. Here you'll find a link to an Excel file. The realm spreadsheets are generated from the realm specialization files, which were covered in a previous screencast. We expect you to use the spreadsheets as the primary way to enter information about your models. In this ocean example, you can see a list of the topics that are included in this realm, and there's a separate tab to enter information about each one. Here we see the lateral physics spreadsheet. There's place to enter information about different components. But if presenting your modelers with detailed spreadsheets is going to make life tricky, or create problems with version control, you can use our PDF option to collect information. The PDF view of the realm specializations can be found alongside the list of realm spreadsheets for your model. There is a PDF view for each of the realms that your model simulates. As an example, let's take a look at the ocean. You can download and share the PDF files with the modelers in your institution and use them to collect information about each of the realms your model simulates. The PDF files indicate the kind of input that's required, whether that be text, a user-defined list, or to choose one or more options from a predefined list. If you have any queries about how to complete your documentation, please send a query to our support email address. You'll find that back on the contact link of our ESDoc pages.